Welcome back to BudgetTravelerChris.com. We're still down here on the Dallas Road waiting for sailboats to come in. But instead, new friends here. While we're having our dinner, I'm having my dinner on my tailgate there. I'm having chicken. And these are some new friends here. And let's spin it around. And do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, my name is Nazi.
Nice to meet you, Nazi.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you as well.
And you're from Iran or Tehran?
Yeah, we are from Iran.
Wow.
Tehran.
And how do you like it in Canada?
So I really like here, especially the nature.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And also the weather is wonderful. So yeah, I really like here. So really nice to meet you.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad you like the weather in Canada because I don't. I go to Mexico. It's too cold here for me in the winter. Yeah. Well, thank you for being on the channel today, and take care, everybody. You never know where we'll be or who we'll see on BudgetTravelerChris.com. And I was just eating my chicken on my tailgate here, and now we're all having dinner and dessert. Thanks for the dessert. Bye-bye. And what a beautiful view for where we're having our dinner tonight. We're down by the ocean here, and we've got people down here that are playing music down on the beach. So we've got entertainment on the beach. We've got people down there having a good time. And the tide is out a little bit today. And we even have a cruise ship in the port. So it's a beautiful day down here on the Dallas Road walkway. So come on down and join us in Victoria for some cloudy weather and some beautiful scenery. Well, we do have sun once in a while too.